Welcome to another Bad Grin breakdown. So first you want to draw an ovally shape. Like the one I have here, it does not have to be a perfect circle. Also, I want to stress the importance of drawing lightly so you can erase guidelines easier or just draw darker over them later when you add details, okay? Now draw a wrapping line 1/4 of the way up from the bottom of the ovally sphere. That's your eyebrow line. Draw another line slightly above the bottom of the oval. Now you have your eye height between the eyebrow line and the line you just drew. Measure down 3 eye heights and that will give you the height of the nose. Next, take the distance from the bottom of the eye height and the nose line, add that to the bottom under the nose. Place your chin line here. Draw out your chin downwards, curving towards the chin line. The line will be straighter on the side of the head, and once you draw past the nose, the lines will start tapering quickly towards the chin line. Pull the ears below the eyebrow line and just above the nose line. Then mark in your eyebrows. Draw ovals for your eyes. Remember to keep 1 eye length of space in between the eyes. When drawing the upper part of the eye, I make a thin shape and then fill it later. You want to copy the shape I am making, otherwise you will lose the likeness of Light himself. Draw circles connected to the top of the eyes for the iris, and then a smaller circle inside the iris towards the top left area. This inner circle is the highlight glare of the eye. Then you want to draw an inner circle in between the outer circle line and the highlight circle. This is the pupil of the eye. So you want to fill the entire area with your pencil, but remember not to fill in the highlighted area. It will look best if you draw 1 line at a time, picking up the pencil with each line. If you leave the pencil down on the paper and draw zigzag lines, it tends to look messy, and doing it the other way where you pick the pencil up helps your lines stay clean. Next, draw the bottom of the eyelid and then erase all the lines near your eyes and eyebrows. At the nose line, draw 2 lines like an arrow pointing down. Make the left line longer to make the nose look more interesting. Draw a zigzag line upward on the right side for the bridge of the nose. Halfway between the bottom of the nose and the chin is the middle of the mouth. Draw 2 lines along the same path but not connected. Next, draw a line for the bottom of the lip and shade below the bottom of the lip because it is normally in shadow. When drawing lips, a general rule of thumb is to never draw the whole mouth. Otherwise, it will look unnatural and fake. Follow the outer edge of the eyes downward to know where to place the neck. Draw the neck. After that, make another line curving down and away from the center of the face for the shoulders. For the hair, draw a circle around the head and connect to the head below the ears. This is a guideline for the top of the hair. The reason being, you want to have a gap between the top of the head and the top of the hair so the hair feels like it has volume to it. Draw a dot on the left side of the head. All the hair on the head will be growing from this point and should flow from it. Again, to keep things looking natural. Next, draw pointy triangles for Light's hair. It will feel awkward at first, so I recommend you just follow my placement for the hair. It's okay if you need to pause the video to draw along. Also, during this stage, draw hair through other lines like the eyebrows because we're going to clean it up later anyways. Where we placed the dot earlier is where the hair will be parting. The top of the hair looks nice when drawing an angled upwards kind of way. It helps break the circle shape that we have going, and it just is a whole lot more interesting. Once you finish the hair, you want to erase very lightly the whole thing. Make the drawing look faded, but dark enough you can see the lines clearly. You are going to be drawing over it. This is called refining, and is where you do some spring cleaning and make things nicer for others to look at. Follow along with me here, and don't forget to use your erased lines as a guide to help you. That's it. You completed the full drawing. Congratulations on a job well done. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a like on the video, subscribe for free, and hit that notification channel so you can get more videos like this. If you're feeling a little ambitious, the next one is a 3/4 view. You can do this. Let's make it happen.